Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you change name on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you list like this, and you click here on settings, and it's going to take here to settings window. Then you just go down here, so you click here on sync here. Then it's going to take here in this window, and you just go down. Then you click here on Google Activity Controls, so then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go down here, you click here on say all activity controls. So then you just go down here, and you click here on go to your Google account here, and it's going to take you to next step, and you click here on personal info here in app. Then it's going to take you in this window, you just go down and you click here on name, and here can you change your name and here nickname. So when you do in here, you can add who can see your name here on your Google account or your Google Chrome. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.